Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming basics. Wi-Fi or mobile data is stable, and your app is updated. Once done, open Pubg and go straight to Settings, then Account or Basic where Server or Region options live. You change the server from Auto to a specific region to test latency. Make sure to save the selection, and then exit Settings. This first action forces the game to try matchmaking on that region immediately, which is faster than waiting for auto selection to adjust. Once you pick a nearby region, look at the displayed ping to compare options. Lower is better for stability. After switching, force quit the app and relaunch so the new region registers with matchmaking. You should try 2 regions back-to-back to confirm consistent results. Sometimes a slightly farther server gives better routes. Make sure to join a casual match to verify packet loss and lag under real conditions. And note whether your NAT type or carrier affects the connection quality. You finish by testing in a live match and watching your ping and gameplay responsiveness. If play feels smooth, the change succeeded. If issues persist, clear the app cache or reinstall to remove corrupted settings. This often resolves stuck region selections. Make sure to avoid using public VPNs unless necessary. They can improve routes but also add latency. One troubleshooting tip: if you still get high ping, check router/CoS settings or try a stable Wi-Fi.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.